Hi guys, I often get asked a lot about different investment options and how they affect your wealth creation. So I thought over the next couple of weeks we can take a look at some of the more straightforward options, with the first cab off the rank today being term deposits. So let's take a look at some of the positives and also some of the considerations that you should make when popping your funds away in a TD. So one of the big bonuses in a term deposit for me has got to be the guaranteed rate of return. So when you enter into a term deposit, you know exactly the rate and amount that you're going to get back. So that level of certainty is certainly a big bonus for me. The next big bonus is actually the ease of use. If you've got access to a bank account or credit union, then access to a term deposit is extremely straightforward and really easy for you. The last tick for me with term deposits is the fact that it is the perfect investment vehicle for the uber conservative investor. It's also a good investment vehicle as a portion of your overall investment vehicle, again because of that degree of certainty. Let's flip this around and have a look at some of the considerations you should make when popping your funds away in a TD. The first major consideration is the fact that your funds are locked away for a set amount of time. So if you need access to this, and in fact if you need to break out of this, it'll likely incur fees and also lower the rate of return that you would have expected originally. The other major consideration, I certainly think this is a big one for me, is the opportunity cost. Basically, when you enter into a TD, you max out the amount of wealth or the maximum amount of growth in capital that you're able to earn during that period. So essentially, you forego the opportunity of taking those funds and perhaps making a greater amount of wealth, generating more money and generating a greater yield elsewhere. Essentially, you're foregoing the opportunity costs there, a big one for me. So term deposit rates are very heavily linked to current interest rates, with an average 12-month rate sitting at around 3%. In uber low interest rate environments at the moment, my concern is that the average investor is going to have to save a lot more and save a lot longer in order to achieve your goals. So my advice to you, consider who you are and your kind of risk profile as an investor, and understand whether the safety, security, and also the low yields of term deposits are in fact going to meet your investment goals. Good luck investing, guys, and thanks for your time today.